All right, man. How's everybody doing today, man? All right. That sounds good, man. Let's run that back one more time real quick, man, for everybody on the left and right and in the back. How's everybody doing today, man, at the Green Elephant tonight? That sounds badass right there, man. We appreciate everybody being here. My name is Dope the Music. Dope the Music is my name. You can catch me on Twitter at Dope the Music. That's DOPETHEMUSIC. I'm here to introduce to you the KingsDragon. But before we get to the KingsDragon, quick shout out to my Lord and Daddy Stasher for putting us on every single Tuesday night right here at the Green Elephant, man. These next songs he's about to hear is off the album Controlled Savagery. Album Controlled Savagery is available right now on all digital platforms. I produced the entire album. We got a new mask coming out next week, so get your cameras ready, get your pictures ready, because it's the last time you're gonna see this mask for a minute. My Lord, hit that shit, man. KingsDragon to the motherfucking stage. That is faces his own. The mythical, the lyrical.
Never been one to care about what others they talking about. I learned at a young age that most niggas talking now. Don't want to lie like a pocket. Oh wow, I've had a strong design, controllable like a wildfire, way past now. All I made is in a friendship, but I've been highly selective. Feeling like I've been injected, stay on my mind, I've been affected. It gave me the feeling, sometimes I feel like I'm living on the ring. This sensation gets the creeping, trying to let it all sink in. I tell you what I'm thinking, now I feel tension. Learn to release it, temperature increasing. For a millisecond, I lose myself like who the hell feel I'm under a spell, but I feel it was holy in hell. And then I exhale, but if that fails, might be on my way to hell, stick it in the scales. Forget it, denying hell, know it's somewhere along the way I fell. Continue thinking about it without a care. Call me greedy, this song's so beautiful, I wouldn't share. Risking the fair, if I was part of a pair, but I'm single with no C's active, so it's only fair. Got me thinking bear, that type of attraction for me is fair. I swear I'm ready, no longer can I barrack myself without her because she bad, but it's the bad. Potentially the best that I've ever had is where it sells, where I was loaded when I told myself fuck it, do it, but do it right through the tell. That love is what it tells, what it tells, what it tells.
Just laying in bed, waiting on you. You already know what I want.
Now that I'm in your presence, mesmerized by your beauty, I'm enticed by your essence. Staring at you is more than pleasant. I swear your body a blessing. Could you take a second to truly question? Could she be a present? My only guess is straight from the heavens, no longer barren. Who could with the outfit that you're wearing? So I may handle you, it almost gets to tearing. I'm tripping. Let me catch my bearings. I touch and kiss you with a passion. Move down to your neck while on your lower back, smacking and grabbing. She went less, I'm still undressed. What then happened? Assisting her all the way through. I know that she wants the dragon, so I proceed with the urge that started from thirst. What did you know? I started feeling dehydrated. She got an urge that I run my hands down the curves. And what's the third? So she turned on you to observe. I'm feeling like a fulfilling where her eyes and lips. She's showing me how willing with no spilling. I know when the type of drilling, the way I'm killing. No hands in the type of ideas. The mind I'm feeling the way laying the that bullet. Finally flipping it in. Erotic months from my leg. You know I'm getting it. It's giving it all to you all that I have within me. Make sure I give her the beast in me. Cause who to tell? Tell us what it tell, what it tell, what it tell.
The music man.
Those who praise the image should know that it's all a gimmick. Truly, all they do is copy and mimic, never exceeding the limits. Against the dragon, they be finished. I truly diminish, as that is my witness. I feel like you're right in it. I'm tired of stories. Say about you was really on lead. I'm a trainer over truth to deal. Shutting the slowly, and I know I'm not the only. One, the listen reasons whether the fear for what has become. Not bringing the drums. I spend lyrics my beat that don't pay my better than instrumental in the way that I spit. They need to admit, truly a dragon is rapping, truly a mix, and I try to submit. Most of my fire comes in the that I just bit. Stick to the mission, cause truly what I envision for rap to begin a better position, a bit more vicious. I don't agree with the way of the victim into a prison, destroy the image with major decisions to recommend. Stick to the mission, the dragon against the villain, twisted with predicted with speed and precision, truly a difference the way we depict it, open like every weapon, destroy the image. My promise that I've written, truly a promise. I find it so appalling, no competition. They started while major influence causing. They lack in creativity, talking musically, never visually. Yeah, I can instantly demolish it with infantry. Mentally, my power running back victories. The way see my best way ahead of me. Legend me with this so I can skillfully, painfully, actually gracefully, why even fatally, maintainably. Working a killing upon the mic, rotating me, no one sustainably. I'm mythical being I'm in a peaceful way, patiently, painfully, mentally. Just to finally be in a position I was meant to be. Spin fire. Truly my specialty. I stick to the mission, cause truly what I envision for rap to begin a better position, a bit more vicious. I don't agree with the way of the victim into a prison, destroy the image with major incisions to religion. I stick to the mission, the dragon against the villain, twisted with predicted with speed and precision, truly a difference the way we depict it, open like every wisdom, destroy the image. I promise that I've written illusion. I'm back confusion, I'm not human but a fusion. I'm about to find them amusing. Whatever happened to good music? Took when all rappers, they all street trappers. They singers pretend to be rappers, they paid actors. Leading the gang back with grace like a below status. Be determined to face a master. The master has a high determination. Being a factor, I practice shatter and shatter. Once we battle, leaving bodies close to scatter. Destroying the pattern with skills that I gather. Leaving the back for the battle. Those battle, ever breaking the shackles. All while, been in my castle. Destined to open eyes and minds to music that lasts. Stick to the mission, cause truly what I envision for rap to begin a better position, a bit more vicious. I don't agree with the way it's depicted into a prison, destroy the image with major incisions to recommend. Stick to the mission, the dragon against the villain, twisted with predicted with speed and precision, truly a difference the way we depict it, open like every wisdom, destroy the image. My promise that I recognize. Stick to the mission, cause truly what I envision for rap to begin a better position, a bit more vicious. I don't agree with the way it's depicted into a prison, destroy the image with major incisions to recommend. Stick to the mission, the dragon against the villain, twisted with predicted with speed and precision, truly a difference the way we depict it, open like every wisdom, destroy the image. My promise that I recognize.
Yeah, Kings Entertainment in the motherfucking building. If y'all fuck with that shit, man, y'all can follow us on the Instagram at TheKingsDragon. That's TheKingsDragon. Appreciate everybody here, man. Y'all have a good night.
Each and every Tuesday.